It's commonly said that every place on the earth is unique. But of course, we share a lot of things that are common to all of us. One such thing is single-use plastic. Such is the spread of this material that people in South Africa often call it the second national flower. Hello everybody, I am Sumit over here with yet another new video. As 2nd October has already passed, we must have gained some knowledge about plastic pollution and India's initiatives to stop them. I wish you would have also seen my previous video on stopping plastic pollution.
No, I haven't.
You have also not watched my previous video, then go to the link in the description or see the I button over here to watch some amazing facts like this. Next time if someone asks you what flows in your blood, then don't answer them with words like nationalism, courage or something like that. Because what really flows in your blood is plastic, and I literally mean it. Want to know some amazing and fantastic facts on plastic? Then please see this video till the end. Okay, now we all know how much dependent we all are on plastic. Such is the dependence, if suddenly someone comes and says
Plastic is bad.
then we will get a headache. Most of us will do. So don't worry, we at Global Affairs are here to provide you with great alternatives to plastic. So it's time to know, think and share.
Yeah.
May not be you, but there are still many people who think
A single plastic bag
really?
will never affect the globe.
If you add all these so-called single plastic bags, there are 10 million plastic bags getting consumed every minute in this world, which adds up to 5 trillion in a year, which if spread together will have an area twice of France. Now of course you will reconsider your statement. There are many alternatives to plastic carry bags, but the most efficient are cloth bags and Juco sandwich bags. Cloth bags are made from renewable natural fibers and hence are biodegradable. Unlike plastic, fossil fuel is not used while manufacturing them, and they don't encompass any harmful chemicals. Jute bags are water resistant too. The Juco sandwich bags are manufactured by blending 75% jute and 25% cotton. Hence, while it is strong and water resistant like jute, it is soft and possesses high durability like cotton. Apart from being reusable, it has very low carbon and water footprint. As an added advantage, it is largely manufactured in India, but still, it can be a little more costlier than the cloth bag. Now, you can think of carrying these things home in a very eco-friendly manner. But what if these things are not packaged? As a fact, 47% of the total plastic waste comes from packaging industries. So they are in a need of good alternatives. And here we are with two alternatives. One, a traditional one, and the second, a little modern one. So let's see what they are. The more modern form is called bioplastic, which is made from renewable biomass sources such as vegetable fats, oils, or corn starch. They are highly durable and can easily be used to make packaging materials. But still, many don't agree with this thing. So, the best alternative is to use the traditional one, that is, the banana leaf packaging. This sort of packaging, in which banana leaves are folded around the material and then tied around it, is being used for aeons in India. Recently, shopping centers in Japan, Singapore, and even in Chennai have started using them once again. Nowadays, 2 to 3 banana leaves are used while packaging along with adhesives. Now I believe that all these problems are sorted. But suppose you are hosting a small party and you are in need of some plastic cutleries. What will you do? We have a brilliant idea. We cannot throw the cutlery recklessly, but we can eat them. Yes, we can. How? Let's see. In 2011, Narayana Pisapati of India invented something that amazed many. He introduced edible cutlery to the society. This means we can literally eat the food bowl in our hands. This amazing product is made by baking millets blended with rice, wheat and salt at high temperatures. They are now planning to make this product as cheap as plastic, and that too with a choice for flavors. And when it comes to water bottles, clay comes as an alternative apart from steel and glass. Clay bottles have an advantage of being reusable, biodegradable, healthy, lightweight, and it also keeps the liquid inside it cool. Oh, it's time to stop the video. But before we leave, you have learnt here some of the best alternatives to plastic. I say best because there are a lot more alternatives which are promoted as eco-friendly, but the scientific community has rejected them. What type of alternative you are using? Is it steel or glass or any of this? Let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your family and friends. We'll be back with a new video very soon. Till that, Namaskar.